How ChatGPT can help you make money. Ever dreamt of making money with a personal robot assistant? Hold that thought, because it's not as futuristic as it sounds. Welcome to the mind-blowing world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we're turning the spotlight on ChatGPT, the state-of-the-art AI model by OpenAI, and uncovering how it can help you pad your pockets. From writing enchanting stories to running your entire social media, this AI does it all. And here's the kicker: you don't need to be a tech whiz to put it to work. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 10 ways you can leverage ChatGPT to generate a steady income stream, skyrocket your productivity, and perhaps revolutionize your professional life. If you're intrigued by the prospect of earning money with AI, you won't want to miss this. Number 1. Content creation. Using AI for content creation has changed the landscape of writing and blogging. ChatGPT's phenomenal abilities to generate high-quality written content have made it a crucial role in the writer's arsenal. By just inputting a short prompt, the AI can take over, generating the remaining content while maintaining context and coherence. This not only lightens the writer's load, but also solves the problem of writer's block, which often impedes productivity. Moreover, the multilingual capabilities of ChatGPT make it an even more indispensable tool. By reaching out to international audiences in their native languages, you can significantly increase your visibility and potential earnings. Additionally, with ChatGPT, you can handle more projects simultaneously, broadening your portfolio, enhancing your productivity, and providing a steady income stream. Number 2. Ebook creation and self-publishing. Aspiring authors often find themselves at a loss when faced with the daunting task of writing and publishing a book. With ChatGPT, these challenges can be navigated with relative ease. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, create detailed outlines, and write entire chapters, making the process of ebook creation and self-publishing less intimidating. In addition, the AI can also assist in one of the most challenging aspects of self-publishing: marketing. With its ability to generate compelling descriptions, captivating titles, and persuasive sales pitches, ChatGPT can significantly increase the marketability of your book. By harnessing the power of ChatGPT, you can become a published author and tap into an additional income stream. Number 3. Social media management. The dynamic world of social media demands constant engagement and creative content. ChatGPT's ability to assist in drafting attention-grabbing posts, tweets, or captions tailored to your audience can be a game changer in social media management. The AI can also engage with followers in a human-like conversational style, replying to comments and messages, thus fostering a stronger connection with your audience. These advanced features not only enhance your social media management services, but also allow you to handle more clients at the same time, significantly increasing your earning potential. Number 4. Email marketing. Email marketing, despite being one of the oldest digital marketing tools, is still highly effective. However, crafting engaging emails can often be time-consuming. ChatGPT can revolutionize this process by helping you write persuasive emails that encourage recipients to open, read, and take action. Its advanced capability to personalize content ensures that your emails resonate with each recipient, increasing your engagement rates. By using ChatGPT to boost your email marketing performance, you can attract more clients, increase sales, and consequently see a significant rise in your income. Number 5. Online tutoring. With the rise of digital learning, online tutoring has become more prominent than ever. ChatGPT, with its vast knowledge base, can be an excellent tool for creating an online tutoring platform. The AI can provide answers to questions on a wide range of topics and explain complex concepts in an easy-to-understand manner, supporting students in subjects ranging from history to mathematics. Furthermore, ChatGPT can also generate additional educational content like worksheets, quizzes, and lesson summaries. Offering these resources alongside your tutoring sessions allows you to provide a comprehensive learning experience. With these enhanced services, you can charge premium rates, significantly boosting your income. Number 6. Freelance writing. Freelance writing, while lucrative, demands a significant amount of time, research, and writing skills. ChatGPT can ease this process by helping you generate innovative ideas, create detailed outlines, and write compelling content. The AI can also assist with editing and proofreading, ensuring that your writing is error-free and of the highest quality. By allowing you to take on more projects without compromising quality, ChatGPT can significantly boost your income as a freelance writer. Furthermore, its ability to write in multiple languages means you can offer your services to a global audience, expanding your market reach and further increasing your income potential. Number 7. SEO Optimization. In today's digital world, Search engine optimization, or SEO, is key for any online business. ChatGPT can help you create SEO-friendly content that can rank higher in search engines, driving more traffic to your or your clients' websites. Moreover, the AI can also generate meta descriptions, title tags, and alt text that are SEO optimized, contributing to an overall increase in your website's visibility. With a well-optimized website, you can attract more clients, increase your conversions, and ultimately increase your revenue. Number 8. Podcast scripting. The rise of podcasts as a popular medium to share information and tell stories has created a need for engaging scripts. ChatGPT can assist in creating compelling podcast scripts that keep listeners hooked. Furthermore, the AI can help brainstorm unique podcast topics and generate detailed outlines, making the planning process less challenging. By creating and hosting engaging podcasts with the help of ChatGPT, you can attract a loyal audience, opening up avenues for monetization through sponsorships, advertising, and listener support. Number 9. E-commerce product descriptions. In the e-commerce industry, the quality of product descriptions can directly impact sales. ChatGPT can help write compelling product descriptions that highlight the key features and appeal to your target audience. Its ability to generate a large volume of descriptions in a short time makes it an invaluable tool for e-commerce businesses. Furthermore, the AI's capability to personalize descriptions based on user profiles can significantly enhance customer experience, increasing both sales and customer loyalty. By improving the quality and effectiveness of product descriptions, you can drive more conversions and increase your income. Number 10. Customer support. For businesses aiming to provide top-notch customer service, ChatGPT can be an invaluable asset. By integrating the AI into a chatbot, you can offer responsive customer support that operates 24/7, answering inquiries efficiently and immediately. This not only heightens customer satisfaction, but it also reduces the necessity for a large customer support team, potentially saving you significant expenses. Furthermore, ChatGPT's ability to write comprehensive FAQ sections or support articles for your website means it can offer immediate assistance to customers, enhancing your service's accessibility and user experience. A robust and effective customer support system can lead to increased customer loyalty, repeat business, and positive reviews. These elements all contribute to elevating your reputation and, by extension, your profits. Plus, with the added benefit of reducing operational costs, ChatGPT can significantly improve your business's bottom line. Remember, the use of powerful AI models like ChatGPT in various professional and business contexts is indeed transformative, but it also raises a host of ethical considerations. As we see AI models generating high-quality content, engaging in social media management, or even providing customer support, the line between human and AI interactions is increasingly blurring. This could potentially create confusion among those interacting with the AI, who may believe that they are communicating with a human. Therefore, it is crucial that businesses disclose the use of AI in their interactions to maintain transparency and trust. Additionally, while AI can produce content quickly and in large volumes, it's crucial to maintain a focus on quality and integrity. It's possible for the AI to generate content that is misleading, inaccurate, or biased, even if unintentionally. Businesses and individuals must be vigilant in reviewing and monitoring the content produced by AI, ensuring it meets ethical standards and is accurate and fair. Moreover, the use of AI should not result in unfair competition. For example, while AI can certainly help increase productivity, it should not be used to gain an unfair advantage, such as producing an unrealistic volume of content that could potentially flood a market or undervalue human effort and time. The applications of ChatGPT are vast and extend well beyond these 10 examples. This advanced AI is not only changing the way we work, but also creating numerous opportunities for income generation. By leveraging ChatGPT in your endeavors, you can boost your productivity, enhance your services, and significantly increase your earnings. Embrace the future with ChatGPT and unlock a world of possibilities.